Fly Wellness Global. So this is the ultimate global platform, no doubt about it. So this is a leaders conclave. Today we are at the leaders conclave. So we all are leaders. I understand, or I am means you can say that I am taking as a granted that you all are leaders. Instead of using the word leader, I would like to call all of you is the torch bearer. You understand the meaning of the torch bearer? Do you understand the meaning of the torch bearer?
No.
Who are basically carrying the torch and the thousands of people are following them.
Yes!
On to the right path. Okay. So, next slide please. So, particularly, each and every one of you are here to understand what is the mission, vision, what the company is all about, what they are going to do in the future. And many people, most of the people I can say, भाई ये कंपनी चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा? एक सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन कहीं भी मार्केट में जाएंगे तो लोगों के माइंड के अंदर ये हो सकता है, ओके, इज इट पॉसिबल? बट at till the end of the presentation, you will understand that Fly Wellness has done so many things which no other company in the entire history of network marketing in India have done that. Believe me. No other company on record I am telling you. With the numbers I will prove. Next बोलने मत लगाओ sir. Next करो. Okay. Go ahead. Keep on going ahead. So our vision, a new beginning. Obviously from where we came in, we came out of the ashes. So anyone, all the people who are the old one, who were there into the system 2 months back also, 2.5 months back also, most of the people, they know that what I mean is. Next, please, next. Okay. So particularly, today we are not just launching a company, we are launching a movement. Fly Wellness is a movement. Okay. A movement to build on belief, values and unlimited possibilities. Why unlimited possibilities? Because I want to see each one of you to become an international entrepreneur, starting from India, starting from your city or your state. You can go globally and turn around and can do a multi-million-dollar in sales. One person I count in as a $1 million in sales, or the value or net worth I can say. You all have that capacity. You just have to understand those capacities and come out. Many people they just think that it is okay. I am staying in Cochin, I am staying in Hyderabad, I am staying in Mumbai, I am staying in Kolkata. These cities are of worth of or they are having a population of more than 1 crore, 2 crore and all like that. So this is a very big market. No. Why then the companies, why there are the international companies into the market? Obviously, each and every one, all the companies wants to have the international business across the borders. It is very challenging. We will talk about it soon. Next please. Sharon, you're there? Okay. So basically, for all my North leaders, so basically आज हम सिर्फ एक कंपनी नहीं शुरू कर रहे हैं, but हम एक legacy की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. So this is just the first day of the legacy building, sir. How many of you understand the word legacy? You understand? Legacy means not for today, not for tomorrow, not for the next month, not for the next year. I'm talking about the generation to generation.
Yes!
Am I asking no?
Yes.
No.